Are you tired of downloading TikTok videos only to find that annoying watermark stuck in the corner? Well, today I'll show you a simple, effective way to download TikTok videos completely without a watermark. Stick with me and follow the steps in this video, and you'll be able to save your favorite videos in high quality, watermark-free. Now let's dive into the exact steps you'll need to follow. Through this website, you'll be able to easily download TikTok videos without the watermark. Here's how it works. 1. Copy the link of the TikTok video you want to download. 2. Head over to the website I'll show you. 3. Paste the link in the designated box. Select the option to download without watermark. It's as simple as that. Now you can enjoy your TikTok videos without the watermark getting in the way. This method is super easy, fast, and ensures you get the highest quality video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks.